AirPods Pro 3, released in September 2024, sometimes fail to seamlessly switch between Apple devices using auto switch or continue tasks like calls with handoff. These features rely on Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, iCloud, and device proximity for smooth connectivity. Problems often stem from Bluetooth conflicts, incorrect iCloud settings, outdated software, or environmental interference. As of mid-2025, Apple has issued firmware updates, like version 7b15 in June 2025, to address these issues, but some users still experience problems. Make sure all your devices are on the latest iOS, macOS, or iPadOS versions to ensure compatibility. A unified iCloud account across all devices is essential for these features to work. To fix auto switch and handoff issues on AirPods Pro 3, start by ensuring all your devices are updated to iOS 18.3 or later, and your AirPods firmware is at version 7b15 or newer. Next, toggle airplane mode on and off on your devices to reset all wireless connections. If problems continue, reset your AirPods by placing them in the case with the lid open. Then press and hold the setup button on the back for 15 seconds until the status light flashes amber. Make sure handoff is enabled on your devices by going to Settings, then General, and AirPlay and Handoff. If issues persist, forget the AirPods in your Bluetooth settings and then repair them with your devices. Bluetooth interference can sometimes be the cause, so try testing in a less crowded environment. If these steps don't resolve the problem, contact Apple support for further assistance.